Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's video I'm gonna walk you through how to fix error while logging in library app. As we know that Libby is a very free app where you can enjoy ebooks, digital audiobooks and magazines from your public library. So if you are facing any kind of issues or error while logging in this app, you need to make sure about few things on your device. So to fix those error, you need to watch this video till the very end. So let's get into the video. So first thing, you need to make sure that your device is highly connected to a very stable internet connection, and secondly you need to go to the option and secondly there might be various updates on app, so you need to update the app accordingly. So to do so, you need to go to your app store, and at the very bottom left there is the option search, and after going that you need to search the option Libby. Now you can see the app Libby, the library app. If there are any kinds of updates available, you need to simply update your app to fix the login error. You need to go, or you can go to your settings on your device. After clicking on the settings, this is the very first home page of your device, and you need to go to the option general, and after that you need to go to the option iPhone storage and search the app, the Libby app. So after that you need to click on the option Libby, and to fix those errors you need to click on the option offload app, and after clicking on the option after offload app, you need to go to the option reinstall app, and after a few minutes or a few seconds your app will be reinstalled on your device, and it will not cause any kinds of error or issues while logging in this app. So you need to follow those steps to fix those errors. So that's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.